walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang loto. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bitbit.
Bilang magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You come for the school, but stay for the people.
Dito, we learn independence, pero solid pa rin ang support system.
Sa NCF, bawat sulok may saya, suporta at pagkakataong maging ikaw.
Pakiwin ko na po lahat yan.
Humble beginning, global end. NCF, world-class affordable education for every Filipino family.
Invest in your dreams. We'll handle the innovation-powered excellence.
This is how we lead the future.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Different backgrounds, one premier education.
Here, there are no borders.
This is our school.
This is our home.
Beyond borders, beyond barriers, from Bicolana dreams to international horizons, NCF is where everyone belongs.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom. With the
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are back here sa loob ng ating venue, NCF Covered Court, for our Oragon Basketball League Season 2. This is the continuation of the matchup between the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, to give you all an update sa kaganapan dito sa larong ito. So, on the previous matchup of these two teams, natira na lang na minutes on our third quarter is 2 minutes and 27 seconds, and our score is 56-43 in favor on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So let's see kung sino ang mananaig at makakatunggali ang USA Falcon sa ating semifinals round. Live na live po tayo dito sa loob ng venue. Again, NCF Covered Court, and also on our live Facebook page, we have the Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and Genan TV48 Naga. Sa mga hindi po makakapunta dito sa ating venue, feel free to visit our Facebook pages. Yun po mga binanggit ko kanina para updated tayo sa kaganapan sa OBL Season 2. So yan, on your screen, ang venue natin, and these two teams are here to play and here to win. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran on the side of the UNC Greyhounds or the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Yan ang pakakaabangan natin. And comment down below because maya-maya mag-shoutout po tayo ng mga ating loyal viewers dito sa ating page. And of course, to hear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, ano ang gagawin with this remaining quarter and minutes? Yan ang aalamin natin sa ating courtside reporter na si Clark. Kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Diyos marahay na hapon, Bicolanja, as in mga Oragons. Today is the day we've all been waiting for, kaya naman make sure to grab your snacks and hold on tight to your seats as we are about to witness greatness and power only here on Oragon Basketball League Season 2, WB Sophia Cup Gold Giants BTS Battle of the Powerhouses. And I will be your courtside reporter, Clark Cantuba, upang magatid sa inyo na may init na updates on the sidelines of the UNC Greyhounds. At dahil nga sa hindi inaasang sama ng panahon, noong Sabado ay kinailangang isuspende ang laro. Ngunit ngayon, we are ready to bring you an afternoon filled with intensity and action. At ngayon ngang hapon ay muli nating masasaksihan ang labanan ng dalawang koponan, ang UNC Greyhounds versus Ateneo Golden Knights. Kung ating ang babalikan ay napakagandang performance ang ipinamalas ng UNC Greyhounds pagdating sa opensa at depensa. At kanilang pinangahawakan ang kalamangan kontra sa Ateneo Golden Knights. The UNC Greyhounds are ready to dominate. The UNC Greyhounds are ready to conquer and dominate. Kaya naman sabay-sabay nating tutukan ang magiging bakbakan dito lamang sa Uragon Basketball League Season 2, WB Sophia Cup, Gold Chance BPS, Battle of the Powerhouses. Yan ang ating aabangan. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let the Battle of the Powerhouses begin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Clark, for the update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So yun nga, because of the unfortunate weather on that previous days of matchup nitong dalawang koponan na ito, talagang naantala yung mainit na bakbakan ng dalawang koponan na ito. But of course, UNC Greyhounds on the upper hand, getting the double-digit lead dito sa ating larong ito. So let's see kung masasustain pa ba dito yung momentum na hawak nila on the previous match, or will the Ateneo clutch this game? Yan ang aabangan natin. And of course, to hear an update on the other side of things, Ateneo Golden Knights, handang-handa na ba? Anong preparations ang ginawa nila? To know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Yuji. Take it away.
Welcome back, Uragon sports fans across Bicol and beyond. I am UG Gabriel Nueva, bringing you a courtside actions on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights to continue their matchup against the UNC Greyhounds, only here at Uragon Basketball League Season 2. OBL fans, if there's one phrase to describe today's game, it's comeback is still loading for Ateneo Golden Knights. After last Saturday's game was suspended due to heavy rain to ensure the safety of the players and official, and of course, as an Uragon basketball fans, both teams are finally back to finish what they started. From our courtside conversations with the coaching staff and players, earlier, the message has been consistent. Control what you can control. No rushing, no forcing plays, just trust the game plan and compete every possession. As they say online, it's not over until you succeed. Have a wonderful day, Golden Knights and Bicolanja. Again, I am Eugene Nueva. That's the latest update here on the sideline. Back to you, Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much for the update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So yun nga, never say die on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, because this is not yet over on their side. We have 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining for this third quarter, and of course, we have this fourth and final quarter. So anything can happen between these two players. So tutok lamang po tayo dito sa bakbakan ng dalawang powerhouses ng Bicol region. Magbabalik po kami after the short break, only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court para simulan na ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan nito at tapusin na ang dapat tapusin, and makikilala natin after this game yung makakalaban or makakaharap ng USI Falcons sa ating semifinal. So this is very crucial for these both teams. Yan ang aabangan natin all throughout this match. So sisimulan natin ang natitirang 2 minutes and 27 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. 56-43 is our score. And the ball possession goes on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung masustain ba yung momentum na hawak nila on their past games. Yan ang aabangan natin. Now, Batiancela. To inbound. Passing it on his teammate for 3. Unsuccessful on the attempt. Now, Ateneo has the ball. So the ball possession goes on the side of the Greyhounds because of that turnover committed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Look at that defense coming from Basagre. Taugan to Sakido, and Sakido delivers. +2 on the side of the Greyhounds. Last 2 minutes of the match. Aurius guarded by Sakido. Good pass to Tino, and Tino converting a point coming from that layup. So both teams ay nakapagpahinga and ready for this matchup. Taugan with the ball. Handing it to Sakido, and again, those passing. Kitang-kita dito sa loob ng NCF covered court yung napakandang transition play on the side of the Greyhounds. So a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because nagkakaroon dito ng usapan ng ating officials because of that last sequence, because I believe the head coach on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights is asking for a timeout. So let's see kung ano yung magiging response ng ating officials dito sa ating laro. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. 60-45 is our score. So to clarify, it's not a timeout because nagpatuloy tayo with Tino stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity on the side of their team. 60-46 is our score, and that's good. Basketball continues as the Greyhounds take the ball possession here. They are trying for that play again because why not? 2 attempts was good on their side, but this time too strong on that pass. Sakido couldn't handle that ball. Turnover on the side of their team. Ateneo takes the ball possession. Jersey number 10, finding his teammate here, Aurius. Bantay sarado dito ng Greyhounds, and look at that. Traveling violation was called. Matiancela ang may hawak ng bola. Passing it to Masinas. Taugan with the ball. Finding his teammate. And a great steal coming from the Ateneo side. No good on that attempt. Sayang yon on the side of the Golden Knights, but this time it's Domingo who gets that ball on their side. 2 shots will be given para dito kay Basagre. Wow, napakabilis nang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito when it comes to their plays. Fast play face. Yan yung talagang nakikita natin dito sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter. 22 seconds remaining. 60-47 is our score. Too short for that. Basagre, one more time for him. So if you're on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, you need to stop this run na ginagawa ng 𝐒𝐿 Greyhounds because sila yung naghahabol dito. They need to find an answer with this plays na ginagawa ng 𝐒𝐿 Greyhounds. Now pushing foul was called to Basagre. So same ball possession, but Matiancela to inbound. No good. Now chance for the Golden Knights here. Claro with that one-hand layup, and that's good. And that's it. That's the end of our third quarter. 60-48 is our score in favor of the side of the 𝐒𝐿 Greyhounds. Don't go away because when we come back, it's 60-50 on our scoreboard. And babalik po kami for our fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back. This is the fourth and final quarter for this match. This is the deciding quarter kung sino yung aabante at makakaharapang niya sa Falcons. Now 10-point lead on the side of the 𝐒𝐿 Greyhounds. Magiging consistent ba at tatapusin ito ng kanilang koponan, or will the Ateneo Golden Knights slowly but surely clutch this game? No good on the 3-point attempt coming from Basagre. Matiancela finding his way inside, a jumper, no good. Tino with the ball. No room for error and complacency for these both teams. Turnover on the side of the 𝐒𝐿 Greyhounds. Now Ateneo with the ball possession here. Jersey number 10 to inbound. Tino Guarded here by 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐴. Look at that. UNC defense. Domingo steps back for 3. No good. 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐴 with that rebound. Masinas tries for that fast break play. No good, but again, it's Sakido with that second chance point. In and out ball. Foul was called to Kevin Taugan. 62-50 is our score. Offensive rebound coming from the Golden Knights. UNC again on the opportunity side. Masinas to Taugan. And wow, what a clean shot coming from 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐴. And again, UNC Greyhounds. Back-to-back point conversion coming from them. And with that, timeout was pressed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 66-50 is our score. Again, this is the final quarter for these both teams. Ateneo, they need to step up big time if they really want to win this match. Meanwhile, UNC Greyhound staying consistent from the very start of this match up until this fourth quarter with this 8 minutes and 12 seconds. It's a team effort. Sakido, 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐴, and Masinas. Their communication inside this hard court is very much evident and effective. That's why the UNC Greyhounds is having their run again. 66-50 is our score. Now let's see after this time at what are the adjustments on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Knowing that this is the final quarter and they are behind on our scoreboard. And of course, clear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Tawagin natin ang ating court reporter na si Clark. Anong balita dyan? Go ahead.
Thank you so much, Rick. Talaga intensity ang UNC Ateneo Golden Knights. They are really well prepared and hungry to win this match. At mga kaibigan, kakasimula pa lang nga ng ating quarter. Kakasimula pa lang ang ating labanan. With pressure and heat. Paalala nga kanina ng Coach Gab. Ayaw huwag ninyo. Easy but secure. At mga kaibigan, andito na nga tayo sa ating last and final quarter. Kaya naman sabay na ating pakan kung sino mamamayag at sino ang update sa iyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Clark. A bit choppy, but of course, UNC Greyhounds talagang handang-handa with this match and they really want to face the mighty USR Falcons because they are aiming also for that final ticket dito sa ating OBL Season 2. So let's see kung tatapusin ba ito ng UNC Greyhounds on a high note. Yan ang abangan natin. Now it's their ball possession. Masinas taking their time, finding Taugan. Almost losing that ball. The defense though on the side of the Ateneo, making it hard on the side of the Greyhounds here to create a play and find an open spot. But Valera fires for 3, unsuccessful. Now, Ateneo has the chance here to add their score and cut the lead na hawak ng Greyhounds. Jersey number 10 to Basagre. For 3, wala pa din. But a foul was whistled. And Ateneo We'll be having free throw shots here. A lot of substitution was made on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Their head coach is trying to find the right people, right connection inside the hard court for them to be able to create play. So let's see, after this adjustment on their side, kung magagawan ba dito ng paraan itong patuloy na paggawa ng run ng UNC Greyhounds. That's good for Domingo. Ateneo basketball. Basagre finding his way inside. Risky pass and a block coming from Lopez. Ranin. 24 shot clock violation. Batiancela to Fernandez. So Fernandez checks in on the side of the Greyhounds. No good on the side of the Greyhounds. Another attempt, no good. And the ball possession goes on the side of the Golden Knights. Tino with the ball. Long pass to jersey number 10. So that's the goal. Domingo delivers on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now what would be the answer on the side of the UNC Greyhounds after that beautiful play on the side of the Golden Knights? Defense is there. Batiancela to his teammate. Foul was whistled, and to hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's call our courtside reporter, Gigi. Anong balita dyan?
You hit the break, right? You can feel it.
Yan, babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Yuji because of some technical issues. Back to the ball game. Tino to jersey number 10. Scramble play here. So let's see. Ano gagawin ng Ateneo? Tino with that long three. No good. And ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo. Will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ranin with this opportunity on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. They really need to maximize this kind of opportunity because they're the one who is chasing our score on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now 68-55. Ayan, I think handang-handa na dito si Yuji. Anong balita dyan on the side of the Golden Knights?
You hit it right away. You took the urgency from the Ateneo bench.
again, babalikan po natin ulit ang ating courtside reporter. Now back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for this match. UNC Greyhounds ang may hawak ng bola. No good on the attempt. Offensive rebound now. UNC Greyhounds. No good on that steal, and Basagre. They need more of that on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Meanwhile, foul was whistled. Fernandez, that's good. Another one for him. 69-58 is our score. UNC on the lead here. Two out of two. Ateneo on the offense. Basagre with the ball. Passing it to jersey number 10. Aurius finding his way. Same basketball. What a great steal coming from Taugan. Wide open with that layup. Foul was called to Valera on that last sequence. 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 72-58 is our score. UNC on the penalty side now. That's good. But no good on that second shot, and now UNC on the offense. Masinas to Taugan. Taking their time here. Ranin with the ball, passing it to jersey number 10. That's good. With half of the board. No attempt. So head coach challenge was made on the side of the UNC Greyhound. So let's see and wait upon reviewing that last sequence. Meanwhile, thank you so much to all our sponsors. Thank you to WBN Sofia, Gold Trans BTS, DLP Printing Services, CBD Plaza Hotel, Lotus Blue Hotel, Naga College Foundation, Digital Graphics, Claypot Cafe, Flip Soul Naga, Rufian's Tavern, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, AAT Ads, and also to Sundays Hotel, Papatantan Aparte, Lemon Residences, Summit Private Resort and Sports Hub, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Kamsur Eye Center, NCF College of Arts and Sciences, NCF College of Criminal Justice Education, Safe Gas Station, Motomo TV, Delegold Philippines, City Hoops Trophies and Medals, Glass House Beach Resort, Maswerte Foods, Chicken Run, and Triomed Medical Distributor. And also, this is powered by PLDT. Thank you so much to all our dearest sponsors. Now, challenge unsuccessful. Ball possession goes on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And now to hear an update with this remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si 𝐒𝐿. Come on, take it away.
You heard it. Pwede lang best kang madapa kapag liwala kang may pag-asa pa. As continue. Resilience can be just as important. Back to your ring.
Thank you so much, 𝐒𝐿, on the update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So yun nga, hanggang may oras, kaya pa at kaya pang lumaban itong Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng napakagandang clutch moment itong Ateneo. Yan ang aabangan natin sa natitirang 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Now, UNC on the offense. Fernandez with the ball, passing it to Batiancela, fires for 3, no good. Ateneo basketball. Meanwhile, if you're on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, kailangan na lang dito ng magandang panapos ng kanilang kupunan if they really want to win this match. Basagre. No good on the attempt, but a foul was committed on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Foul was called to Valera on that last sequence. Clean shot coming from Basagre. One more time for him. But no good on that second try. Batiancela with the ball, UNC basketball here. Traveling violation was called to Fernandez in that last sequence. Ateneo slowly but surely catching up. But look at that, Batiancela stealing the ball sa kamay ni Basagre. And now, it's their chance to add their lead here. Masinas ang may hawak ng bola. 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good. Ateneo ang may hawak ng bola. Ranin unsuccessful. Last 2 minutes of the match. Fernandez finding his way inside, and what a move coming from him. Ateneo basketball. That's good. 3-point shot made on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, and that 3-pointer is brought to us by CBD Plaza Hotel, a perfect place for your getaways. And a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because coming from that big gap, paunti-unting hinahabol dito ng Ateneo ang score ng UNC Greyhounds. The lead is down into 7. Now UNC Greyhounds, no room for complacency. Mahaba-haba pa ang 1 minuto at anything can happen between these two teams. So let's see kung after this timeout, gagawa na ba ng napakagandang game plan ng Greyhounds itong larong ito at tatapusin na para makaharap ang Falcons, or will the Ateneo again clutch this match? We cannot conclude yet kung kanino mapupunta ang larong ito because these both teams talagang nakikitaan natin ang napakagandang game plan and gameplay at this moment. So let's see. And thank you so much to all our live viewers sa Oragon Basketball League, Oragon Sports TV, and Gen TV48 Naga. Shoutout po kay Grace Tubig, Angel Tuplano, Alaysa Magistrado, John May Maestre, at kay Juan Miguel Calitisen. Grace Tubig, thank you so much for all your support. Keep on watching and keep on supporting Oragon Basketball League. Back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball. Tino with his baseline inbound. Time to shoot. Basagre finding his way and extending his arm with that layup. And that's good. Wow. Ateneo. Great point conversion on their side. So this time, it's UNC who will press the timeout button because look at that. Ilang puntos na lamang po at mahahabol na ng Golden Knights ang UNC Greyhounds. Now, on your screen, some replay, some highlights-worthy play. And look at that, it's Basagre.
Happy birthday, Coach Liam Sanchez. Happy birthday, Coach.
Now, 5-point lead on the side of the Greyhounds. Kailangan nilang ma-secure ang lead na to if they want to win this match, or the Ateneo will clutch this one at silang makakaharap ng Falcons. So let's see. Napakaganda ng larong ito. What an intense matchup between these two teams. A minute and 20 seconds remaining for this fourth quarter, 74-69. Huwag po tayong kukurap. And let's see who will get the win between these two powerhouse teams. Batiancela ang may hawak ng bola. Foul was called to Basagre on that last sequence, 15 to shoot. Fernandez to inbound. Sakido, umahanap ng papasahan dito. Passing it to Batyansela. They need a beautiful play and a conversion at this moment. Medyo na-stuck na dito sa 74. And a 24 shot clock violation was called on the side of the Greyhounds. This is very crucial on their part. Now Ateneo on the offense. Tino to inbound. Passing it to Basagre. Last 50 seconds for this matchup. Shot clock down to 15. 74-69 is our score. Basagre. May hawak ng bola. Fires for that long three. No good. Last touch on the side of the Greyhounds. So same basketball, same ball possession. 10 to shoot. Domingo. Tutino for three, and that's good! Wow! What a play and what a three-pointer coming from Ateneo. The lead is down and cut in just 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. Ball goes on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 10. What a very crucial moment para dito sa ating laro. 74-72 and the remaining time for this game clock is just 6 seconds. So let's see after this timeout what are the adjustment on the side of Ateneo, knowing na may 2 points pa silang dapat habulin. So yan ang aabangan natin. What a game! What a game for these two teams. Yan ang abangan natin dito sa pagbabalik. So thank you so much to all our live viewers sa ating Facebook page and of course sa mga taong nasa loob ng ating venue NCF COVID Court. Thank you so much for your support. Keep on watching and tuning our Facebook pages, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, dyan ang TV48 Naga para updated tayo lagi sa loob ng hardcourt. So next week, kung sino man manalo dito sa dalawang ito, makakaharap ang USA Falcons for our semifinal round. And kung sinong mananalo between USA Falcons at sa mananalo dito, yun ang makakaharap ng NCF Tigers for our finals.
Back to the ball game, 6 seconds.
Back to the ball game, 6 seconds remaining. 74-72 is our score. What a game. Pero syempre, I'm expecting this kind of matchup because again, nakapagpahinga itong dalawang kupunan na ito. So let's see kung sino ang matitirang matibay at kukuha ng panalo dito sa araw na ito.
One more left timeout. 6 seconds.
UNC basketball. Lopez to inbound. Finding his teammate. So, an official Our official is asking for a challenge here. Because again, this is very crucial for these both teams. 5 seconds remaining. 74-72. 2-point lead on the side of the Greyhounds. And 2 points ang kailangang habulin on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights for them to be able to extend this match into an overtime. Or pag nakakuha sila ng 3 points, maybe sa kanila mapupunta ang panalong ito. So again, let's wait and see on our officials what would be the call on that last sequence. So it's UNC basketball. Ayan, special shout out to Zel Federico Umali. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much sa panunood for this matchup. And now back to the ball game. 5 seconds remaining. UNC basketball. So this is their chance to win this match. Batyansela looking for his teammate, passing it to Valera. Foul was whistled. 3 seconds remaining. So both teams are now on the penalty situation. That's why Valera will be stepping on our free throw line for an opportunity and the chance to win this match against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And that's good. A much needed point. One more time for him. 75-72. And that's 2 out of 2. 76-72. 4-point lead on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, and a timeout was pressed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan, thank you so much for all our viewers. Grabe, coming from that 5 seconds remaining on our game clock. And still, hindi pa tapos ang laban na ito with this 3 seconds remaining. UNC and ADNU talagang never say die hanggat meron pang oras, talagang patuloy lang. Ayan, back to the ball game. The moment of truth. Who will get the win? 76-72. Now with this 3 seconds remaining, ano pa ba ang gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights? And of course, when you are on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, talagang kailangan na ditong pangalagaan itong 4-point lead. Now Tino to inbound, looking for his teammate. And a great steal coming from Masinas. Wow! What a game and what a steal coming from the Greyhounds. And that's the end of our match. Congratulations to UNC Greyhounds for winning this match against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sila ang makakaharap ng 𝐒𝐻-ℜ Falcons next week And of course, kudos din to Ateneo Golden Knights for giving us a good fight. What a game para din sa dalawang kupunan. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Bilang magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You come for the school, but stay for the people.
Dito, we learn independence, pero solid pa rin ang support system.
Sa NCF, bawat sulok may saya, suporta at pagkakataong maging ikaw.
Pakiwin ko na po lahat yan.
Humble beginning, global end. NCF, world-class affordable education for every Filipino family.
Invest in your dreams. We'll handle the innovation-powered excellence.
This is how we lead the future.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where Tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga.
What's up, Uragan fans? Our best player of the game is brought to you by CBD Plaza Hotel. And for our best player of the game, he averaged 13 points, 3 rebounds, 4 steals, and 2 assists. His unmatchable dedication and hustle has helped the UNC Greyhounds to maintain focus and get the momentum all throughout the game. Against the Ateneo Golden Knights, our best player of the game is no other than jersey number 27, Kevin Taugan. So ayan, congratulations on winning the match against the Ateneo Golden Knights. So Kevin, pwede ba naming malaman kung paano ninyo na-maintain yung momentum ninyo simula nung Sabado hanggang sa ngayon, although sa magandang pinapakitang performance ng Ateneo Golden Knights?
Yun nga po sabi ni Coach, i-run lang daw po namin yung play and sumunod lang daw po sa play and makakabutas daw po yan.
So pwede ba naming malaman kung kanino ninyo dinededicate tong larong ito or panalong ito?
I think sa coaches po namin kasi hardworking po sila and knowing na kahit walang venue po sa UNC, nag-aanap po sila sa labas, makapag-practice lang po.
So ayan, at this moment, do you have any message or invites sa ating mga manonood dito sa ating live stream?
Invite?
Do you have any message or invite sa ating mga manonood?
Shoutout po sa family ko sa Magaraw and sa mga tropa ko sa Magaraw and kay Pao. Nanonood po. Thank you po.
Yan, thank you so much. Once again, our best player of the game, Kevin Taugan. And of course, we would like to thank both of the teams for showing an electrifying match after this afternoon. The UNC Greyhounds once again showed their great chemistry and great performance here on our hard court. This has been your courtside reporter, Claire Cantuba, leaving you a piece of advice. Keep on dreaming and never stop. Keep on grinding and never stop dreaming. Kaya't sabay-sabay nating tungayan ang mga susunod na labanan dito lamang sa Uragan Basketball League Season 2, WB Sophia Cup Gold Giants BTS, Battle of the Powerhouses. At syempre dito sa Uragan Basketball League Season 2, WB Sophia Uragan Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And there you have it. That concludes our match. Congratulations on the side of the UNC Greyhounds for making it to our semifinals round na makakaharap ang 𝐒𝐲-Falcons. And of course, kudos din sa Ateneo Golden Knights for giving their all and giving their best para sa araw na ito. Again, abangan natin ang iba't ibang matchup pa dito sa Uragan Basketball League. Next week po, 𝐒𝐲-Falcons versus the UNC Greyhounds. Kung sinang mananalo, yun yung aabante sa ating finals. This is Rick Puerta, your commentator, only here on Uragan Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.